What's up, YouTube? Good morning. We're back with another banger. So today I'm having grilled cheese and soup.
Are you making a video?
Yeah, you want to come talk to me while I'm making it? Grilled cheese and soup. And I got some good old pink lemonade over here on the side. Pull your chair. Come on.
So what are you doing, Mom?
So how y'all doing today?
What are you doing?
Tell them, Face, say, how y'all doing? Ooh, grilled cheese.
Mom, what are you doing?
Making a video.
So what are you doing with a dough, too?
I'm finna eat.
Yeah.
It's so good. So every fall and winter, my mama make this soup. Y'all, it's so good. It got all kind of vegetables and beans in it.
Hey, Deborah.
It got corn, peas, green beans, and it got hamburger meat in it, y'all.
Can I get up home?
Pinto beans, lima beans, all kind of stuff. It is so freaking good. You want to taste it?
Yeah. Oh, Mama nasty.
You want to taste it?
No.
Huh?
No, I hate Deborah.
It's good.
No, me hate Deborah. Yep, goodbye.
It's so good, y'all.
I'm here to
It sounds like the trash man.
And what's this?
A Three Musketeer.
This Target? I got this kind of here.
A Milky Way. How y'all doing today?
Ew, y'all tell y'all
There's
this.
peppermints in there.
No, trying to get butter.
That's okay.
Butter. Hey, you found my thing. Yeah.
It was over there by the laundry.
Oh, God, blow my head.
Y'all know how y'all have a meal that your family been cooking since you was younger and you just have to have it certain times of the year? This is one of them. I love my mama's soup. Absolutely love my mama's soup. Let me see if I can show y'all. Look at it. Look at all them beans and stuff in there. Hot. We got that grilled cheese over here. Y'all, how was y'all weekend? I spent my weekend sitting in the house, cleaning up, rearranging my closet, rearranging my makeup stuff, cleaning out my kitchen cabinets, I was doing the most. I ain't even gonna lie. I was doing the most. This is so good, y'all. Smells good. It tastes good. It's just good. Cheesy. Oh, that was a lot of cheese. Today is Sunday, you guys. This video will be uploaded today. I'm not editing it. Y'all gonna get it raw. I ain't doing all that today. It's Sunday. You ain't supposed to work on Sundays. I bet y'all be like, dang, she don't never do her hair when she come on here. I be just getting up, y'all. And that's when I be the hungriest, when I just waking up. So, if it's later on in the day, y'all catch me while I'm cute. Although I'm not ugly. But y'all catch me while I'm super cute. When my face is beat, you know. Hair done. But right now, it's early. I'm just being me. I'm just being me, you guys. Being me with my face in this soup. Honey, because it's that. Look at all that cheese, y'all. Ooh, that's ridiculous. Jesus. That is ridiculous, y'all. This is good. I had to get something cold this morning, y'all, because soup and coffee. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I ain't doing that. Mm. Love these green beans, y'all. Ooh, yeah, I'm getting full. I'm most definitely getting full, y'all. I love getting up in the morning, y'all. Sit in the kitchen and just look out the window. It may sound like an old person, but that's what I like to do while I'm eating my breakfast. Don't not be going on outside, not but traffic, but it's just peaceful. I'll see my little plate around. Y'all, this will make me sleepy. It's good though. It is good. Ooh. Y'all, Christmas is coming. I hope y'all ready. I hope y'all done did y'all little last minute shopping. And y'all ready to be Santa Claus, giving out all these wonderful gifts. What? What you trying to sign me out? My outro? I'll let you do it when I finish. Yeah. That's so good, Faye. My mama stuck her foot in this, honey. My son said y'all need to comment down below and say this soup good in the comments. Spam the comments with this soup good. And make sure y'all hit that bell because it's good. It's real good. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. We waiting for you. That's what he said. We waiting for you. Do it now.
Yeah. Yeah. 5, 4.
Comment down below. This soup good.
2
Cause this
and
soup
1.
is banging.
You do the meant to hit that bell.
Hit that bell.
Oh,
Hit that bell.
I've been how to do
If you don't say this soup good, comment down below and say, hey, Fabian.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Say, hey, Fabian.
And you did that. Make sure you hit that bell. And you got pumpkin outside.
Y'all, he's so loud this morning.
Mom, what the pumpkin at?
I don't know. I think Daddy threw it away.
Hi.
Because it was getting old.
You still had to work, keep it.
You was trying to keep it till it melt all the way down?
Yeah.
Ugh. It was going to be stinky.
Yeah, I've been kissing it too.
You going to kiss the pumpkin while it's stinky?
And bubbling in it. And I've been kissing it. And I been noticed that.
Okay, y'all. I'm full. I got a little bit.
Give me it.
You want to taste
I
it?
got can.
Taste it.
I hate baby. Can I taste the answer? No.
You want to taste this
No.
grilled cheese sandwich?
No, let me taste the.
He want to say goodbye. Goodbye.
No,
Oh, my
but they
bad.
can
I'm sorry.
keep
I'm sorry.
it
I'm
down.
sorry.
Up down. See? All down.
Come on.
Okay. Make sure you hit that bell on.
No, say.
Make sure you hit
Make sure you click that notification.
Make sure
And turn on that bell.
Make sure you turn on that maker and you hit that bell.
So you can hear everything.
And make
So
sure
you can see everything that
and
your girl and her family is doing.
I need your turn. And make sure go on my TikTok because I've been making video on my TikTok. And you're going to see a couple of days. You're going to see a couple of days.
Like, comment, subscribe. Share with anyone and everyone.
Yep.
Turn on that notification bell so you can know what your girl and her family is doing.
Yo.
We love you guys. Peace, love, and hair grease.
Yeah,
Stay blessed.
Hold on. And make sure.
Blue verse.
Let me tell it for.
I don't know. Oh, comment down below. This soup good.
And make
Or, hey, Faye.
And make sure. And hold on. Make sure. Cause I'm gonna be making video on my TikTok.
Stop it, you break that.
And you're gonna tell a couple of days. Bye.